Welcome back to the video. I am your tech guide Wayne, and today I want to show you how to unlock your iPhone 15 Pro so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to your phone app. You're going to make sure you're on the keypad setting and type in *#06 and pound. That's going to show you your IMEI information. You'll need to write down this first number right here. We're going to use it in the next step of the video. From here, I'm going to go home and I'm going to go to Safari, to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and just fill out a few prompts. Starting with the manufacturer, which is going to be Apple. And then the model is going to be the 15 Pro. We're going to select Unlock Phone. From here, we're going to swipe up. You're going to select the country you purchased the phone in. For me, it's United States. The carrier is going to be AT&T. From there, it's going to give you a price, and it's going to give you an estimated delivery time, and the delivery is referring to them sending you the unlocking instructions. Because the process to unlock phones is different for every carrier, and it does change from time to time, they will get you the latest unlocking steps, and they will email them to you. You're going to enter your IMEI number here, and then you're going to add it to your cart and simply check out. Now, a couple of things I want to point out at the top of the screen here. You do have a phone number to call, a number to text, an email address, and a WhatsApp. So 4 different ways to contact the company to follow up on your order if you have additional questions, or if you're outside of that delivery window and you still haven't gotten a response, you have a few different ways to contact the company. Once you get those instructions and you follow the steps, from there you'll need to contact the new carrier you'd like to use your phone with and follow their eSIM protocols to link your phone to their service. All right. Hope you guys found this helpful. If it was, hit that like button down below. If you're not a rated subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.